a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.